Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the host. Install by now, and make sure the system has a static IP and a proper hostname. Once done, add the FQDN to /etc/hosts so reverse lookups work locally. Next, stop or adjust the firewall briefly to allow UDP and TCP on port 53 for setup. Make sure you have sudo access. Without it, you cannot edit bind files. Now you're ready to configure bind files and create zones. You will now edit bind configuration, open named, conf, options and specify forwarders and recursion policies and set listen on to the server IP. Then add zone stanzas in named, conf, local linking to your new zone files. Create the forward and reverse zone files with an SOA, NS records, A records, and PTR records for reverse lookup. Remember to increment the serial each change. Once files are in place, use name check conf and name check zone to validate syntax before starting the service. Start and enable the service now. Run systemtil enable now bind 9 and confirm systemtil status shows running. Test with dig at your server example. Com A, dig at your server example. Com NS and dig XIP for reverse. Confirm responses and recursion behavior. If something fails, check /var/log/syslog or journoctal, verify port 53 is open, and ensure SE Linux booleans or firewalled rules permit DNS. Rerun namecheckconf and namecheckzone to catch typos. Those checks solve most startup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.